let's see the second one, which is example 7 for your simultaneous linear and quadratic, one linear, one quadratic. The second question, number 2, we have 3x plus 4y equal to 11, xy equal to 2. So I can just make x subject of formula here. This is equation 1 and this is my equation 2. From equation 2, I can make x subject of formula. I have 2 over y. So that becomes equation 3. So I can now substitute my x into equation 1 to get y. So if I fix x there, substituting x to be equal to 2 over y in equation 1, we have 3 bracket 2 over y plus 4y equal to 11. So this becomes 6 over y plus 4y equal to 11. So this is 4 over 1 and this is 11 over 1. Doing this, we can now take LCM. We can take LCM in this case because this is 6 over y and this is 4y over 1. So the LCM here is y. Y in y is what? 1. 1 times 6 is 6 plus 1 in y is what? Y. Y times 4y, that's 4y squared, which is equal to 11 over 1. Then if I cross multiply, I have 6 plus 4y equal to 11y. So I'll take 11y here. So I have 4y squared minus 11y plus 6 equal to 0. So it becomes a quadratic equation again. So we can now factorize this. If we factorize this, 4y squared times 6y will give me 24y squared. So I'll look for the factors of 24, which are, we can use 2 and 12 as a factor, we can use 3 and 8, and then we can use 6 and 4. But the best to use is 3 and 8. If I use minus 3y minus 8y, multiply it together. Yeah, if I have minus 3y minus 8y, multiply it together, I'll get positive 24y squared. So that means this is equal to negative 11y squared, which is this. Our equation is 4y squared. So I have minus 8y minus 3y. I'll bracket this. This is equal to 0. And then I'll bracket this. So I have 4y is common here, so I'll bring out 4y into y minus 2 divided by negative 8y divided by 4y will give minus 2. And then minus 3 is common here into y. 6 divided by minus 3 will give me minus 2 equal to 0. So finally I have 4y minus 3 bracket y minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore means that 4y minus 3 equal to 0. 4y equal to 3. We got 4y to be equal to 3. If we take negative 3 to the other side, it becomes positive. So 4y equal to positive 3. So your y equal to 3 over 4. Or you can say when y minus 2 equal to 0, your y is equal to 2. So you have two values of y, this or this. If I want to get my value of x now, x is equal to 2 over y. So I'll just go straight and substitute my y into this expression. I can use this or this. So if I put 2 over 2, I'll get 1. But I'm going to have two values for x, two values for y. So this is the first value of x. So let's get the second value of x. The second value of x will be 2 over 3 over 4. Okay, which the 4 can go up. It becomes 8 over 3. So your x is 8 over 3 and your x is also 1. So that's our final result. So we have two values. So x is this or x is this. So you obviously know that this statement is saying 2 divided by 3 over 4. Which gives us 2 times 4 over 3, which is 8 over 3. So that's all about that particular question. You will lay your hands on this example 8. I'm still going to give you drill that you will do so that you actually practice them properly. So you lay your hands on example 8 and I'm going to give you a drill that you will solve right now.